Then I think I saw Bayo. I think at a point you are moving this way, Bayo was moving this way. But he redeemed himself as he was dancing out. He did a fantastic show as well. God bless you. And Madame with the high heels, is she there? Excellent move. I don't know how she balanced herself and yet did a superb displays there. Excellent show. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet all of you, the President and Executive of the Yoruba Union, and all dignitaries here, all Nigerians, all honored guests. I greet all of you. I'm happy to be here to celebrate the Yoruba Day, 1 year after the inauguration of the Yoruba Union, under the able leadership of Adeola Doromo. I was here last year for the inauguration, and I can see this year it's moving from strength to strength under his able leadership. Celebrations of this nature are important in promoting and highlighting the rich cultural heritage and traditions of our home country, especially the Yoruba people of Nigeria. We at the Nigerian Embassy in Stockholm fully support all our ethnic groups and societies as we understand their importance. It is important for us, and most especially our children, to know our roots and our heritage and our culture. This gives a strong sense of identity and helps build self-esteem. Statistics show that children who understand and value their heritage are less likely to be involved in delinquent behavior. The various ethnic groups also bring alive our rich cultural traditions, language, foods, clothing in different parts of the world. In the past year, September 2013, the Swedish Museum, in collaboration with the Nigerian Ministry for Culture, launched an exhibition titled African Masterpieces, Dynasty and Divinity, Ife Art in Ancient Nigeria. The exhibition featured over 100 metal, stone and terracotta sculptures dating back to the 12th and the 16th century. It highlighted the technical and artistic accomplishments of the people of Ife, ancestors of the Yoruba people of Nigeria. The exhibition, which has now moved to Gothenburg, was hugely successful and showed the people of Ife to be one of the most advanced urban societies of that time. Exhibitions of this nature, as well as cultural displays, as we will witness today and as we saw earlier, are one of the ways to change the perceptions of Swedes and other foreigners towards Africa and Nigeria. A lot of wonderful statements came out over that Ife bronzes. I'll read you some of them that I got from the papers, Swedish papers. One of them mentioned, Africa has